Good morning. I am Kumar, student Garigutia College of Engineering Technology. Today we will discuss about this routine of the system of our routine, and we will discuss about what we do and what we want or any of these situations. That is, we will wake up on morning and they will form all these work from ending of this and go to the college at 7:40 p.m. and then we will study about the first period of engineering chemistry that we will study about the engineering chemistry have isomerism that is cis and trans that is cis are the same side and trans will be opposite side of hydroxide and cis trans will be, next we will study R and S that is R and S and left are many or more these isomerism but we not understand or but we understand but not recall them because any of these reason I don't know. So this that we will these are study and they will go on next subject that is the next subject have the we study about soft skill that will be student major of the four topic that is presentation the our chapter was based on presentation that is memorization and memorized mom crawl crawl form and came from four topics of I don't recall that we are not discussed about this and next we will go through the form lunch and the lunch will be go from the we go from library and they will study about the semiconductor and introduction to semiconductor that is the electronics part of that electronic parts we are study about these things and they will consider about the all conditions that is the they will study of semiconductor and insulator conductor and all these properties are we study that is what is conductor that is it is a material that the, they are the conductor they have high conductivity because of the free move of electron is known as conductor that is metal and insulator it it is a material that they are very low conductivity almost is zero conductivity and because they have no move of free electron and that is semiconductor. Insulator of example is wood, plastic, rubber, paper, etc. And semiconductor is it is a material that that lie between the semiconductor and semiconductor is no lie between conductor and insulator is known as semiconductor that germanium and silicon. Germanium have atomic number is 32 and mass number is 72.630 and silicon have atomic number is 14 and mass number is 28.05 and that is the three major topics of something the definition of the we study and next move on energy band diagram but that above there we study but we not think about this that is what about study that is the oh yes the if the energy if the energy if the intensity of the semiconductor have increased, the then the if the energy of the semiconductor is increased, then the interest no, the intensity of the increase in temperature pressure, the increase in temperature are are electron are free to move, then they are the it is a the physical quantity that is that is very high and highly con- conductivity for the resistance, then the electron then the semiconductor of the properties have intensity of semiconductor will be decreased. And next we will study about these things have many of the conditions. And next we move on next topic, that is energy band diagram. That is they have a straight line y-axis, that is energy, and two line are parallel. Upper is conduction band and lower is valence band. Mid of the energy gap, that is forbidden gap and energy band gap. They are pos- opposed to the pro- go flow of electron. And next, that is insulators have more energy band gap, and that have energy gap is greater than our 5 electron volt. And next we will study about semiconductor, that they have property are not more gap but similar gap are some gap are the forbidden gap. That forbidden gap have is similar to 1. That is the for they are is not literally, but if the 0 degree Celsius have 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree 0 degree Kelvin have, they are behave like insulator, and at a certain temperature or 0 degree Celsius or room temperature, they have flow of current and easily conduct electricity that behave both insulator and conductor. And next we will discuss about the in conductor. The conductor have no forbidden gap and the overlapping gem. They are overlap and easily up and down conduction band and valence band are easily go through them, and they are easily conducting electricity. And next we will study about types of semiconductor, that is intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor, it is the purest form of semiconductor that have no not presenting any impurities is known as intrinsic semiconductor. And extrinsic semiconductor have that type of semiconductor that is the present in holes or some impurities that in types of holes and electrons, that they are impurities have from we adding other of the metals and not in side or any, that is not impurity, that is the different type of atom we add on these things, that is the impurity. And they are this condition of these. And they extrinsic have two types, that is p type and n type. That is p type we study and n type, that is the today study. And next move on the next mechanical, we study about mechanical, that is the topic of measurement and so and this application, that is measurement of what is measurement. It is the we we have the it is a I have a material that they are unknown quantity that is known as measured, and there with a singular quantity we study in measured is known as is known as measured, known as standard. Standard standard will be standard, that is unknown quantity, that are three types we study, that is first unknown, that is measured then conclusion, process and result. We are finding these all units. And the measured, what is measured? The physical quantity such as length, weight and weight and so on, that is angle, they are so is to be measured. And next we will study about standard reference. That is the standard reference of the at a if a physical quantity any have derived them and they are process of the economically, and if they are if they are sustained in everywhere, then they will sustain on they are accepted by internationally recognized standard reference. And then we will conclude them, and that is the next. We move on. Next, we have a study about these mathematics, that is double integration, single integration. That is the they have we find some problem of integration, and at a x to power n is equal to integration have x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, that is the ages measure. And if that method is move on next, that is if any function that is tan inverse, sine inverse or cos inverse, that is the things like that. And if this are present, then we are so following some problem, because they are not studying more on more from these functions. If we study, then we are conclusive and we are easily find and without any fa- unusual situations. Then we are easily studying about these, that is related topic with, then create a then everywhere will be showing of them. And next move on. Then we will evening and we are come from home making food and eating food. Then we are sleeping. Thank you.